Hello, thank you for watching. Have you been to izakaya? It's a Japanese pub, and the most popular menu is edamame. Edamame is like this. Have you tried it before at izakaya? Edamame. I'm going to explain you how to eat. Just after peeling and just bean comes up and just eat it. Very easy to peel and eat it like this. So at the moment goes well beer 100%. And also I found these snacks with the edamame flavor. Very interesting. So anyway, try to eat. This is made from rice and then salty. Anyway, try to eat. Oh, well, we're gonna end it soon. At the moment, flavor is coming. Yes. This one tastes like real edamame. Yes. Oh, very nice. Wow. Mmm. Oishii. Wow, 美味しいこれ。めっちゃ美味しい。This is too delicious, so I spoke Japanese. Oh, wow, めっちゃ美味しい。めっちゃ means very. めっちゃ美味しい。Very delicious. Wow. When you come to Japan, please buy this one. めっちゃ美味しい。This is brand new. Thank you for watching. See you next Sunday. Bye.